A message for all the millennials out there.
Don't mess with me because I am the most millennial.
And a message for all the millennials out there.
I just answered. Are you deaf?
No, but that was a message for you. I'm saying a message for all the millennials out there.
Oh, is it like that? No message. You do whatever you do. I'm gonna do me.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Guys, we gotta cut here and we're gonna see you very soon.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7. How millennial are you on a scale of 1 to 10? Are you ready to find out? So let's go. Hey guys, what's up? This is the girl Bob and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today on this channel, I'm gonna have a very special person, aka my best friend, aka my family, aka the
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
I'm gonna have Nikki, aka Nikhil Kumar, on this show. Aka Nikhil Kumar on my channel, on our channel. Sorry, girl. Can you say?
Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
We have to thank them.
Yeah, I was just about to do that. First of all, thank you so much for increasing our huge subscriber base. And if you yet haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button, bell icon, like button.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
Share it with your friends and do whatever is necessary. We need to reach 50,000 likes, subscribers by my birthday, which is 5th March, and 1 lakh subscribers by her birthday, which is 27th May. So guys, please, we need your support.
So Nick, you're doing this millennial challenge. So what are we gonna do today? Like I want them to know.
Well, a lot of it is going to be a surprise element to it because if I tell you what's going to happen, then you're going to mentally prepare yourself.
Okay.
So basically, first, I'm going to introduce everyone who's coming onto our video tonight, and then I'm going to ask you a very general, like a fast, rapid-fire question, just for people.
I'm sorry to cut you. A big shout out to Nikhil. By the way, he was really sick. He was in the hospital last night taking glucose and shit, but he still managed to come in my video. Obviously, everybody should do shit for me.
She has literally tortured me and like she literally called my doctor to relieve me of the hospital. But anyways, that's besides the point. So yeah, coming back to the point, I'm going to ask you some rapid fire questions and then I'm going to bring all of you into the...
Okay, so who all are coming in the video today?
Well, you get to know in some time.
I actually know, but मेरे को fake acting मुझे over acting करनी नहीं आती है.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
But I actually know who all are coming in the video today.
Yeah, but they don't know. So
Okay,
yeah,
so they don't know. Okay.
So they don't know. So
But who? Like Pepsilons are coming. I'm helping you out. I love you. He does that.
Yeah.
So let's.
And I'm the only non-Spix villain, thank God for that. No cat fights.
Biatch, we know this game. We know the drill. Anyway, so let's just start interviewing people.
Yes,
one by one.
perfect.
So who's
So,
first?
I can only start watching.
Are you taking over my channel?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Bye. I will miss you all. Okay, bye.
Friends, isn't this a refreshing change? She's not there anymore and I have taken over for today. And I'm sure you're gonna love this video because I'm gonna have so much fun here and I'm gonna grill all these Spritz villain like crazy. And if you're wondering where this jacket came from in the next frame, I was feeling a little cold, so don't mind please. Calling on the first guest. लोखंडवाला में रहने वाला हर कोई आदमी एक्टर नहीं होता है?
मनुष्य लग रहा मत करो रहने दो.
But ये दिल्ली दा startup businessman, the most eligible bachelor, Splitsvilla 10 दी जान. Any guesses?
नहीं.
बिल्कुल सही पहचाना. Let's welcome Hamid Singh Naran, bro. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, buddy? All well? All good. Yeah, बताओ. All good, bro. All good. All ready to be grilled tonight? Yeah. All grilled and grilled. Chalo, let's see how it pans out. Our second guest tonight, you'll be very excited. दिल थाम के बैठिए, दिलों की धड़कन बढ़ने वाली है क्योंकि we have a very gorgeous, brainy, a very homegrown dusky beauty. Splitsvilla 8 में भी थी, Splitsvilla 9 की semi-finalist भी थी. Please welcome with a huge round of applause our very own lovable Mia Latra. What's up, girl? How are you?
Yes, super duper good.
So, are you all ready for the challenge tonight?
I am the super duper ready, but I'm also nervous because I
Don't be nervous, I'm there. So
You were there. किसी बात की तो nervousness और what's there in the box?
we'll figure out, so stay tuned. बहुत ही मजेदार इंसान है क्योंकि इसकी याद तभी आती है जब किसी का सीन और होता है क्योंकि तेरा मेरा सीन ऑन है। और अगर आपने ये गाना अभी तक नहीं सुना तो जल्दी से सुन लीजिए, क्योंकि ये इंसान ना तो सिर्फ स्प्लिट्सविला 10 में था, बल्कि ये आशिकी का होस्ट भी रह चुका है। लेट्स वेलकम ऑन आवर शो रैपर मैडी। व्हाट्स अप ब्रो, व्हाट्स अप, व्हाट्स अप। तो तुम देख रहे हो कैसे ग्रिलिंग चल रही है सबकी?
ग्रिलिंग यार काफी खतरनाक है, काम जो भी है, लेकिन आई होप कि मेरी ग्रिलिंग नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
चलो लेट्स सी गाइस।
कौन है ये लोग, कहां से आते हैं ये?
And the last guest of our channel.
I don't need an intro, darling. Hey, what's up, bro?
You mind doing my job, yeah? What is this bullshit?
Hi,
ये चौथी गेस्ट और इसको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है। ये फिर से यही बोलने आई है, लाइक सब्सक्राइब प्रेस द बेल आइकन, वो आप सुन चुके हैं 1000 बार। So now we'll meet her when the actual quiz starts. See you guys.
How millennial are you, girl?
हो गया तेरा?
ये कौन से नशे हैं? ये कौन से नशे हैं?
This is not yet the challenge per se, because I'm going to do a quick intro with everyone so that you get to know your Splitsvilla really well, and some things perhaps you might have not known about them. So a quick rapid fire round with everyone. So here I go with Honey. Honey, okay, to begin with.
Okay, tell me.
You know what millennial is?
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
Millennial is what we are, the generation, 21st century.
Knowledge zero है guys, मैं zero बोल रही हूँ because I'm not into all this millennial shop and blah blah blah.
But you are one, right?
Millennial are the coolest people in the world.
Millennial is someone who's like really cool, dope, and has like perfect lingo. That's what millennial.
Perfect, like that, huh?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, very quickly then. Is there anyone you stalk and don't follow on Instagram?
Me?
Yeah.
Like talk to somebody and I don't follow.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are plenty.
Like who? Name some.
मुझे याद नहीं आ रहे, मुझे बहुत सारे हैं.
Okay.
Just one.
So give us a name or two.
Yes, other females essentially. I simply love Priyanka Chopra. I don't follow her, but I am stalking her. Then एक और है like there are many I would say, but I don't want to.
So Priyanka Chopra,
Priyanka Chopra, and there are few stylists I would say because who are like they're not up to my level, but I really love the dressing style.
I would like to know one name at
I'm
least.
so sorry, but में कोई footage नहीं मिलेगा.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया.
I don't stalk anybody, I don't follow anybody on Instagram.
No, I don't know. Like there are a lot of people out. Like I just keep a check on everybody. Okay, you should
Like,
always
give
keep
us-
check
give us a few
on
names.
on my drivers. So I think I kind of stalk sometimes. Like they're all celebrities. I don't stalk like hair and together. Okay, I stalk like Jeezy and shit, bro. So I don't think you all know it. I'm like.
Name the emoji that best describes you.
I'm the devil smile.
What emoji is that?
That was smiley.
Oh, okay.
Batti see.
Smiley face.
I'm sure. For many reasons, guys. Slang word you can't stop saying.
Hey baby, what's up?
Lord.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fuck.
A millennial you don't mind switching lives with.
Zayn Malik.
Okay.
Person or
A
what?
person, yeah, of course you won't switch your life with a dog or a cat. No.
No, I wouldn't mind. I've got 4 dogs. I simply love their lifestyle. But in terms of name,
A few moments later.
recently I was watching this web series, Bollywood Vibes, and I'm like.
Oh, you want to become one of those?
I don't mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mia Khalifa, huh?
It's the Mia Latra. I don't copy it, and I don't like someone else's surname.
Oh,
But
okay.
I'm ready for this.
Oh, I think Justin Bieber.
I think it's definitely going to be in girls. I'm gonna be like Alia Bhatt, and in boys, I'm gonna be like Ranbir Kapoor.
Rumor slash misconception about you which isn't true.
That the girls think that I'm a heartbreaker, but I'm not like
But
that.
you're not.
चल झूठा.
No.
Oh, girls, take a hint.
Rumors. एक हो तो बताओ यार. 36 rumors in the industry I am in. People think I've not just got 1, 2 zillion of boyfriends, I'm hardcore single.
Are you comedy me?
Second of all,
Guys, hint, hint.
and second of all, लोगों को लगता है I'm into and whatnot, blah blah blah. But let me tell you bluntly on face, I'm a teetotaler. Chai,
Basically, what she means to say is she's got no vices, guys. So वो सारा बीप आपको समझ आ गया होगा क्या मतलब है उसका?
People thought that I got married in my last show, which was ये है आशिकी, and somebody came up on my show and said कि congratulations, आपकी शादी हो गई है।
Okay.
तो मैंने पूछा ये कैसे बोल रहे हो आप? तो बोला विकिपीडिया पे लिखा हुआ, और विकिपीडिया by the way जो वहाँ पे डेट है मेरी बर्थ की वो भी गलत है, so find it out. What's the
So tell them the real date, na?
real date?
Oh.
Tell them. Okay, it's 1990.
All right.
The rumor is that I slept with Hardik Pandya. I never slept with him, bro.
All right. Are we taking names? All right. Cool.
No, it's all everywhere on Google.
Your guilty pleasure is?
My guilty pleasure is बहुत सारे guilty pleasures हैं यार.
Name one, yeah. Come on.
एक
अरे.
guilty pleasure.
Yeah. Why are you feeling guilty about talking about your guilty pleasure? Yeah. Just say what your guilty pleasure is.
Guilty pleasure नहीं है कोई यार ऐसा.
नहीं है? Boring.
Yeah, I was dating somebody and I don't want to open up about it. That's it.
That was a guilty pleasure.
Yeah, that was a guilty
You felt
pleasure.
guilty about it.
Yes, because it was a pleasure. Plus, on the other hand, I was.
Oh, you're taking it literally right now. All right.
My guilty pleasure is chocolate.
Girls, you know how to impress him now.
My guilty pleasure is like shopping.
All right. Any specific brand?
Zara.
When was the last time you sent a text and regretted it?
Last night.
I don't know. Who was it to?
ऐसी एक पुरानी फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा था तो मैंने कहा मैंने क्यों करी, मैं सुबह उठा मैं नॉर्मल में मैंने कहा यार मैंने इसको क्यों मैसेज किया.
Girls think that I'm a heartbreaker, but I'm not like that. You're not.
The unexpected nature of the move, the unpredictability of the move.
It's going blah blah blah. Maybe 7 or 8 hours before I send a text to my ex or I don't know किस फ्लो में घूम रहे हो उसको बीच कर.
तो क्यों क्या ऐसे क्या वजह है?
वही तो पता नहीं चला ना डायरेक्शन का इसलिए तो.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I don't regret it.
Regretted it.
Regretted it. I think on the very like previous year 2019, and I regretted it because I think you should not repeat past. You know what I'm saying, right?
Following that, have you ever drunk dialed an ex?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't drink, but then yes, when I party and see every couple muah ya blah.
जली ना तेरी भी जली ना.
But I'm so independent. I need a boyfriend. उससे बोलते हैं कुत्ते कहाँ पर है?
अरे राम जी.
Oh no, I don't do that. They do it to me. मैं बड़ा कंफर्टेबल बंदा, लोग मेरे साथ ना गद्दे जैसा फील करते हैं, जैसे मेरे पास कोई मिलता है मैं गद्दा हूँ, समझ रहा है?
गद्दा और पंचिंग बैग.
Not drunk dial my ex, but I have definitely drunk dial my ex best friend.
Okay. A little personal question. Your favorite sex position?
I like missionary.
Missionary guys.
My ex or my present or whatever were able to tell you better. ये बहुत ज़्यादा TMI हो जाएगा.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
Missionary.
Why is everyone saying missionary guys?
Because that's what they know. 69.
Doggy. And also these days I'm kind of like into BDSM. So it's weird.
But that's not position. That's more of a
Yeah,
thing.
like I'm just saying that.
All right. Have you ever fooled around with the same sex?
No.
No. Not the same sex? Yes, she has! Give me a face for that girl.
Food around the same sex? No. Not interested also. Super straight, bro. Super straight. मतलब इतने ज़्यादा straight के मतलब लकीर सीधी नहीं होती इतनी.
जो ज़्यादा ऐसे बोलते हैं ना समझ जाओ.
I haven't fooled around yet, but I would love to. I would love to explore more options in life.
Guys and girls both. Take
Yeah,
bets.
hit me up. Wait. Since we're in this millennial challenge, hit me up is HMU. Hit me up.
Control, Uday.
What's the best pickup line you have ever used or been used on you?
Which cheesy line?
A pickup line.
A pickup line.
Yeah.
You're very handsome. Are you free tonight?
And what did you say? You are?
I said yeah, let's go.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
You've got such a beautiful smile and you know, dusky tone.
Nice.
Oh, yesterday I got it. It was like if you would have been a triangle, you would have been a cute triangle. Cute. नहीं समझ पा रहे.
Guys, slow claps.
But being used on me, I'm telling you, if you have watched Splitsvilla, I think that was the worst pickup line ever used on me. It was like, you are a cutie. I know this 26 alphabets. You are a cutie. I'm like, where is Q? Where is you? वो आप हैं cutie.
No. I said the best, not the worst.
Shivam Bihari, you suck.
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो.
Anyways, what is it?
The best pickup line you have used or someone has used on you.
Best pickup line somebody has used on me is that these days people have stopped.
People have stopped picking her up. So guys, please, someone come pick her up. Otherwise, she's chewing my brain every day. Show us the last selfie you took.
The last selfie which I took.
Yes.
अभी लिया मैंने.
हाँ, दिखाओ.
दिखाता हूँ. Yeah, this is my Friday afternoon.
Show it to the camera.
Office में भी selfie लेते हैं.
Just a sub seconds ago, I suppose.
Yeah, so where's your phone?
I don't know. It must be on charge.
Okay, so we'll show it to you in the editing, guys. But yeah. Okay.
So that's the last selfie I took. This is such a dirty selfie. Very, very bad selfie. It's here.
Show it to the camera. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I'm on my phone.
Alright, so again we'll show it to you in the side screen. Yeah.
ये था लेडी डॉन का बहुत अमेजिंग सा शो जिसमें निखिल ने बहुत सारा होस्ट किया जो बिल्कुल भी होस्टिंग नहीं लगा, लेकिन फर्स्ट एपिसोड को हम खत्म कर रहे हैं और मूव कर रहे हैं सेकंड एपिसोड की तरफ. और मेरा नाम मैडी, मुझे बिल्कुल
सेकंड वीडियो आने वाली है अगले हफ्ते, so stay tuned.
It's gonna be continued next Friday. We are coming up with more dhamaka.
So do not forget to watch, follow, like, subscribe.
And press the bell icon.
होस्ट को कॉफी ग्लास का है जो कॉफी ग्लास का है.
होस्ट भाई साहब को देखो जरा
बैग बना लो यार.
हाँ मैं ऐसे कॉफी पीते हुए भाई, कुछ कॉफी कुछ भाई बनाओ बनी चाहिए.
बस दारू पड़ी हुई लेके नहीं आ रहा बंदा यार.